Hello, I'm Juliet and this is Delilah, and today we're going to make some amazing watermelon donuts.
Why did the donut needed to go to the doctor?
To the doctor? Don't think he did. Think he wanted to go
the dentist. Why did the donut go to the dentist?
I don't know.
To get a filling.
Oh. Right, should we get mixing?
Yeah.
We've got wet ingredients in one bowl.
And a dry ingredient.
Yes. Do you want to give those a little bit of a whisk up just to kind of separate them all? No, not separate them all, to fuse them all together. All we do is add our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So Delilah, do you want to be in charge of pouring that? Slop it all in there.
Sounds disgusting.
Sometimes you get a little bit at the bottom, so let's just make sure. See how there's a little bit of flour left there? So just give it a bit of a good old stir. That looks quite good, do you think?
Yeah.
Brilliant. So look at that, that's all ready to bake into our lovely donut mixture. So we have got some little donut pans. They've got the little donut shapes in those. The best way to put that mixture into the donut pans is we're going to put it in a piping bag.
Because you don't want to pour it and then it'll get everywhere.
Do you want to be in charge of holding the bag and I shall fill it up? Got it? Here we go. Ready? So I haven't cut a hole in it, don't you worry. I wouldn't do that to you. Here it comes. Oh! Does it feel nice?
No. It's weird.
It does feel weird, doesn't it? We're going to use one of these clever clips because if we don't do that, what's going to happen?
It's going to fall out.
It'll come all out the top, won't it?
Yeah. Actually, I got one of those at home.
Have you?
Yeah,
oh, you're
a
a bit...
pink one.
Oh, it's mine. Oh, you've been stealing from me, have you? Oh, I know now.
Mum
I wonder where it
took
went.
it.
We're going to snip a bit of a hole in here. So just like that. We don't want to have too much so it kind of all comes out really quickly. So I just like to hold it like that so it doesn't all come out and go oh, everywhere like that. So what we're going to do is just go squeeze it like that.
Yeah.
And we want it to be just over halfway. That's perfect, like that.
Okay.
Can you? Oh, look what you've done.
No, you've done it.
That's it. Lovely. It's fun, isn't it? You know how like an ice cream machine comes from the top down? That's it. Oh, it's got a mind of its own.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. It's like milking a cow. There we go. So I'm going to pop these in the oven.
Wait, Juliet. If you're lazy, you can just buy some from a shop.
Can you?
Yep.
Oh, yes. Biff them in there. Our donuts are all lovely and baked and spongy, aren't they?
Yeah.
So they are ready to decorate. So we're going to take these candy coatings. Could you bring the green one over, Delilah? We'll get these all melted and then we can decorate them as watermelon donuts. Should we get them melted then?
Yeah. Hang on a minute. Something's wrong.
Oh, yeah. Do these belong to you? Should we make sure this is all nice and melted? Let's check. How's yours?
Good.
Oh, that's lovely and runny, isn't it? We need to do all the pink bit in the middle, because you know how watermelon's got the pink in the middle and then the green on the outside. So I'll show you how we do that, and we're going to let that dry, and then we'll do the green bit. So this is the first stage. Drizzle it all in the middle, letting it fall in the middle, but not going right to the edge. Just kind of like that. Give them a bit of a bosh like that, and we're just going to leave them to set like that. Do you want to have a go? That's it, so you pour it all in the middle. Bump, bump, bump. There we go. Round and round, round and round. There we go, that's ready for bumping. Brilliant. So we'll save this because we're going to use this to stick on our chocolatey pips. We're going to let those set. We're going to pop those in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we can come back and do the green bit. Sound good?
Yeah. We're back now and I think they're set.
Yeah, they're perfect. So now we can do the greeny bit, can't we?
Yeah.
So I'll show you how we do this. Pick up each one, spin it round like that in the green, so like this. Biff, 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 all the way
But
around.
it doesn't matter if you overlap the pink.
No, that's right, because you want to slightly cover over it so we haven't got a gap. So there we go. If we make a little bit of a mistake, it's not the end of the world, we can wipe it off. So I'll just get some kitchen roll. Where's that gone? Have you hidden it again? So you kind of have to be careful not to touch the top, don't you?
Yeah.
But it's not too tricky. There we go. Nice. Do you want to do the last one?
Okay.
Yeah. Yay. So there's a couple of bits where we get a bit of the green on, but easily go like that.
Do you want to try
I'll try a bit, shall I? Mmm. Nice. I'll wash my hands now though, because I'm not gross like you, am I? You're eating all my watermelon pips. We're going to stick them on using a little bit of the pink and a cocktail stick, because we only want a tiny dot. Get a bit of chocolate and go bump, 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 bump. Put our chocolate pieces on the pink melted, that's it. And this is going to make them look really realistic, like real watermelons. So let's get these all stuck on, shall we? Last watermelon seed. Bump. What do you think of those?
Good.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
Should we try one? It's stuck to the... Mmm. What do you think?
Good.
So that was really fun, wasn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And for more videos, check out the BBC Good Food YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.